Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add an event reminder to an Instagram feed post. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Instagram app and to create Instagram post with reminders for your event, create a new Instagram feed post. Under new post, tap add reminder. Input your event title. And select your start time. You can also include an optional end time here and click on done. Finish creating your post and tap share. Now people who see your Instagram post can choose to receive a reminder for your event. They will receive 3 notifications for the event: an activity feed notification 24 hours before the event, an activity feed and push notification 15 minutes before the event, and an activity feed and push notification at the time of the event. If you think to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.